Is it just me, or does this not look like a PLouise box at all? I mean, I am seriously so used to getting the all pink boxes where everything is pink, like it's an explosion of pink, and then we get blue? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today, we are checking out my PLouise subscription box for November 2024. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is November subscription box. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, I have a link down below for you. You will receive the current month's box. So if you guys order here in February, you're going to receive the February subscription box. However, it does ship out really late. Typically what PLouise will do is ship their boxes out on the last day of the month. So you'll order the February box. They're not going to ship it until like February 28th, and then you're going to receive it in the middle of March. So it does take a little while. Such slow shipping right now with all of my boxes that even though PLouise has shipped it out, everything is just taking forever. Like it just sits and it takes a while to get to me. And it's not just this brand. All of my subscription boxes right now are just slow. And I think it's just shipping services in general. Plus, we've had like natural disasters everywhere too. So I really can't complain about it, but just so you guys are aware that if you would like to purchase this subscription, you will get your box. It just is gonna take longer than a lot of the other subscriptions do. But I will say, you get great surprises when they do arrive. So this is the November box, and normally I expect a pink explosion, but apparently we have the blues for November. This box says you're invited to slay over, and it says this is where the magic happens. So this kind of looks like her briefcases here with the straps. She has a few different like luggage collections where you can get different items inside of them. So this does fit the PLouise brand. I'm just not used to seeing blue. All right, let's open this up and see what we have in our November box. So down below, or maybe not, I think this is a palette right on top. Oh, I love getting palettes, you guys. But down below that, there's more products in here, but definitely still blue. I feel like I'm at like a gender reveal or something, you guys. Should we start with this? I think we should start with the palette, you guys. I mean, it was the item on top, technically. So the first official item is the My Frosty Fairy Tale Eyeshadow Palette. This is very large, but look at how gorgeous this is too. I love the snowflakes on here. So these are all actually textured. They're a little bit lifted up off the packaging. Beautiful presentation, but I mean, it is PLouise. I would expect nothing less. Honestly, if she ever sends us like a plain cardboard box, that's when I know she's abducted by aliens or something has happened, because this is her style. Oh, and there's a binder? Look at this. Okay, I have never opened up a palette box before and seen a spiral bound book. This is unique. Is this, oh my gosh, this is like the actual storybook and it's an eyeshadow palette? What? Mirror, mirror on the wall, I promise myself I'll achieve it all. Okay, we're gonna open up our first page. Look at this, it is. This is so clever. So you open it up, you do have a mirror over here on the side. There's your mirror. And then you can actually flip that around and get straight to your eyeshadows and your highlighters in here. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this presentation. Look at these shimmers. I mean, look at those highlighters, the way they glisten. So this is really awesome because you do get, like I said, the eyeshadows, but you also get the highlighters. This top one up here is a duochrome. So it's actually looking like a white and then it shifts to a blue shimmer. It will be gorgeous here in wintertime to add a little bit on. I mean, oh, it would look so pretty, but they look wet. There is so much shimmer. I mean, this looks like a gold bar, you guys. And then we get over to these eyeshadows, and I mean, look at the blues. Are those not gorgeous? Just stunning. So I really like that she did give us some neutral shades here. If you do want to deepen up any of those eyeshadow looks, you can still do that. You could create a look just with these ones, but then you could incorporate up here. I mean, there's some purple shimmers. There's some possibilities with this palette, but I love this presentation that it's a whole book that you're opening it up with. I've never seen that done before. Love how unique this is. So if you guys wanted to buy this eyeshadow palette, you should be able to still get it on her website. You just buy it as an individual item. So typically what I've seen is that everything we get in the subscription boxes will either be on their website already or it will be eventually, and then you can buy it as an individual item. You're technically going to get a better deal by having it, in subscription box form, but since you can't get the November box anymore, that would be your best bet. So the next item that we have in our November box here is the Let's Cool It Off skin product. This is a hydrating spray. So it's a facial spray that you can spritz all over and give you some hydration back to your skin. It is a full-size product. We also have her Play It Cool Hyaluronic. Oh, it's a primer. Oh, and it's cooling. Okay, I had so many things happening at once. So this is her full-size primer, and it's a facial primer that you can put on before doing your makeup, but it has a cooling effect to it. So this would be great if you're in a really hot or humid climate. You could put this on, give you that cooling sensation, and it's gonna keep oils away and lock your makeup in place. But it says they've infused it with hyaluronic acid as well, so that way it won't dry your skin out. It will keep it moisturized. What a great take. You're still getting like this winter vibe, but it's still going to be something very practical. So I love it, you guys. I have always said if there's a brand I relate to the most, it's probably PLouise, just because it's fun and over the top. And yeah, I love the creativity with this too. So the next item that we have in here is one of her famous juice boxes. I do feel like we get these a lot, but they have gone viral. A lot of people buy these, so I kind of get it. This one is the Frosty Pop and the Frosted Kisses set. So this is what it will look like here. Inside, you're gonna have 2 lip products. You will have a lip conditioner, but then you're also going to have a lip oil, which will give you that glossy shine without being too sticky. So you get 2 of the scents. So the lip conditioner is going to be the Frosty Pop scent, and then lip oil will be in the Frosted Kisses scent. So she has a lot of these on her website. I think there's like 30 some different scents available. So if you don't like this one, there are other ones to choose. Believe me, you have options. But I get why it was in this box because it's blue. The next item that we have is a free sample, which this is a new thing. So I've been getting this subscription for, I want to say 2 years now. And just in the last few months, they've been including a free sample with every box. And I don't know, do we all get the same free sample or is it random? I'm not really sure. All I know is you get a free sample in here and it's usually one of her products that is very popular. And so then you can try it out yourself if you've not had a chance to. So this one is the Stay Shining Lip Oil, and we have just their little sample size here, but the full size version is a lot bigger and it comes in so many different scents. So you can pick on the website which one you want to go with, but these are all of the scents that they have available for this product. Now the scent that I have is Strawberries and Cream, but it probably would have been random that if you got this free sample, it would have been any of the scents that she offers. I still think it's nice though, that you get at least something to try, because again, that's what I like about doing the subscription box is you can try a little bit of all of her products versus placing a one-time order, not knowing if you like it or not. So it's kind of a fun little perk to get those in there and try. We have another palette. So exciting, you guys. So this is the last item that I have in here, and it is the Frozen Flush Blush Palette. So this is what it looks like here. So pretty, oh my gosh. Now, I will tell you guys that her entire brand is cruelty-free as well. So if that's one of your concerns, she is a cruelty-free brand. And inside we have 4 blushes. I was hoping they weren't blues, so this is great. These are very wearable too, right? So they're just a matte powder blush. I like that they're very simple. There's no shimmers or anything added, which is kind of nice. I feel like, this is just my own opinion, but lately I feel like I've been seeing a lot of blushes that have the shimmer incorporated. And while I like it, I've just had a lot of them in boxes. Everybody kind of had the same idea. So it's nice that this is just a very simple blush palette. It's like the OG basic. You've got some cool tones in here. These are definitely going to be your warmer tone shades. I love this shade. That's obviously what I gravitate towards, but I do think they're very wearable. They'll work for everybody. So that is everything inside of my PLouise subscription box. I mean, holy bananas. I love it, you guys. I really like this. This definitely reminds me of like the OG boxes she did even a couple of years ago, because this year it's been more themed. Like we've had themes of where we're doing everything with our brows, or we've had an all skincare box. And I kind of like that this is just your fun. You've got your lip products, your blush, your eyeshadow. We do have some skincare products in there as well. It's a mixture, and I like it a little bit more. That could just be personal preference, but you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this subscription? Again, if you are interested in buying the subscription, you would receive the February box as your first box. So you would not get this one today. But if you are interested, I have a link down below. I also recommend that you purchase a larger plan with this subscription box. And the only reason why I say that is because they do charge a shipping fee. And the shipping fee is like 15, 17 bucks, you guys. So if you opt to buy this box 1 month at a time, they're going to charge you that shipping fee every single month, versus if you buy a 6-month plan, they'll charge you the shipping fee once, and then the other 5 boxes will ship for free. So it is more affordable if you buy in bulk, order ahead more boxes, and that way you'll get a better price tag. So there's not very many subscription boxes I recommend doing that on, but in this case, I do recommend buy more boxes ahead. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for hanging out with me today as well. And I will chat with you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, beautifuls.